All right, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all you great people. Let's get this one started here. Before we do, please do not construe this as advice, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good to be with everybody here this afternoon. Man, it's good to be alive, yeah? Can everybody hear me? Let's quickly make sure. Let's see who's on the chat here. All right, Jules, I see you. Tabatso, I see you there. Welcome to another one. Intel, I see you. Isabel, yeah. Meryl, Petunia, Tanya, Isham, we're back. We're back. Man, Silver, he's gone above the level, but I mean, look at that candle, man. It's like half of the candle is above. I'm not liking that, yeah. It's 15:03 here. If you're here for the very first time, a warm welcome to you. All our links are above. Tandy, thank you so much for pulling through always. Tandy's making sure the back end is lacquer. To open that account, guys, copy of your ID, proof of residence, pretty straightforward. FICA, it's quite required by law. For those of you that already have your trading accounts, yep. There we go. Love it. I love that intel. All right, so I'm going to use Intel's word there. Silver is invested in the next level, but 50%. So we want to wait, right? Gold did exactly what we said it's going to do. It doesn't respect levels. Just, guys, please hear when I say to you, it doesn't respect levels. Oil, they just don't. It's just the nature of commodities, guys. They just don't respect levels. But here's the crazy part. Look at the divergence. Here we're coming down, but there we're going up. Guys, it just does not respect levels. Don't ever expect gold to respect. It just won't. All right. Apalele, I see you there. Brett. All right, guys, 15:05. Can everybody hear me? Let's just do one more round here real quickly. Can everybody hear me? 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Clearly. All right, there we go. That's it. Isabel, what's up? Show our brother some love, guys. Let's get let's feed the algorithm here. Give it some food. Like it. Where's Taito? Isham, there we go. Guys, help me feed the algorithm here. I'm feeding it with some love on my side too. Yeah, this gold, man. We bagged something, right? But we want some more. Anyone agreeing for some more? Check the NAS. In Afrikaans, it's Asistotiken. So if the gold can come down here, all right. If the gold can come down here, the NAS comes down. How do you like that? Exactly, Jules. One more. So all we need, guys, is for this thing to come down. We just need the gold to come down one more time here. All right, we just need it to drop one more time. One more. And that's the level we needed to drop. We needed to drop right there. 4096. 4096. Let me put it in place. 4096. If we can just drop below 4096. 0.76. 496.76. If we can just drop below 4096.76. Pansu. So let's wait. Guys, we may just get what we want here. We may just get what we want. I mean, silver looks to be pushing a little bit in the other direction. Yeah, silver. Okay, so let's wait with silver. I know NZD USD we still tracking up. Is there anyone that enjoyed the NZD USD? Anyone that took NZD? I'm in NZD USD. I'm just gonna leave it to run. I know Tabatso, you did it, right? Yeah, so Tabatso's with me in that one. I'm just gonna leave it to run, okay? It's pushed above the area. I'm just leaving it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'll leave it until tomorrow even, okay? And then I said to you I want to do US 30, right? I'm gonna do US 30. I'm gonna look for divergence here, and we can see that we may be pushing back up again. We may be pushing back up here again. So what do we have on the books now? We have gold. We're waiting to see what gold's gonna do. Now remember, gold can follow the higher time frames and push down. What did I say to you guys early on? We said there might be a possible correction, which we did get. We did get a small correction. So only if it breaks 4096, then we go. All right. So I need to get a new level here, because we already have one there. This is for downside. That's for downside. Now I need to do one for upside, because either way we have to move. Either way. And I'm going to an hour frame. I'm using an hour frame. Yeah, we still got a long way to go. Yep. I can see it. All right, let's just get to work right over here. If you're here for the very first time, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Show a brother some love if you're here for the first time. All right, so here we go. Gold for some upside. Let me just put this in place. We've already touched the 50. So we're gunning for the 100 now. That's way up there. Okay, that's way up there though. That's on the hour frame. What we need to do here to go up to that area, we need to break here. Again. 4164. This is for the upside. So if we break above, see, that's why I'm not getting into gold to the upside right now. I'm just not going to get in right now. I need to break 4164. That may not come now. All right, maybe 6, I don't know, but there's too much divergence. It looks like the bears aren't done yet. So 4164, it's now 1511. We'll see at 1530. But I've got a shorter term, very short term movement here to the downside. And then if we break above 4164, I'm gunning for 4421, guys. All right, right now, this correction here, from our perspective, we might still come down. We might still come down here. All right, so I'm literally not going to do anything at this point in time by just buying. Are we together here, guys? Are we together? Sorry, guys. Just give me a second here. All right. So, guys, we got two scenarios. Unit profits, good. Tabatso pushing to 58, 0.58. That's NZD USD, right? Oh yeah. Absolutely. 0.58. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, two scenarios here. Either we still pushing down one more time beyond gold. Minute frames, that's what I'm looking for there. A lot of divergence that's still there. There's, the hourly up. I have a level way at the top, 4164. If that gets broken, I'm going to start buying gold. The reason why I'm not going to buy now is because I'm still in a rejected state here. All right, I'm in a rejected state. That was a high. This is an entire correction. From there to there. Let me actually just do this. From there to there is an entire correction. So the correction then found support and we started pushing up. So there's recovery now going up, but this recovery needs another possible move to the downside. That is what I'm looking to trade. Just so you guys understand. Support, recovery from the high here. So what I'm attempting to trade is this area here before Pezu. That's what I'm looking for. Is everybody clear? I think that's pretty clear. All right, I think that is pretty. I don't need to get clearer than that. That is 100% clear. So if it doesn't give us that, if it doesn't give us the short here, I'll be waiting for that long. All right. Let's go to CHF-JPY. Guys, I'm still in shorts here. This guy here was supposed to come down long ago. I had a dip. It went up. It caused divergence. Just so you do know, there is divergence here. Look at that. There's a resistance. There is divergence there. Look at that. So I'm basically waiting for this to just drop to the downside. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. The USD JPY price came up to my break-even point. And I got out here. And I said to myself, listen, with this one, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait on this. The gold is too volatile. It was supposed to push down from what we had seen. It went up. So there's a lot of volatility here. And I'm going to wait for the USD JPY just to push down one more time below that low. If it can break that low, I'm just going to hold it to the downside. Okay, I'm going to the downside. Remember, I'm selling here. So I can't sell here and then sell gold. Because if I sell gold and I sell here, one of them is not going to make money. The USD JPY is going to push up. So I don't want to be in that. If I'm going to be trading gold down, I need to be trading this up. So I said, listen, let me just get out for now. All right, I'm going to get out for now and I'm going to wait for price to break below that low there. And then I'm going to get in again. For now, I'm waiting. Okay. This one here, NAS 100. We were pushing down nicely. I got my level ready. It's not broken there at all. So at 15:30 now, which is in 14 minutes. All right, we're going to see what happens here. Do we get a fresh push to the downside? Because if gold comes down, NAS is coming down here. It's going to be a wonderful, wonderful sight. I got that USD CAD ready as well. Look at that. We're still there. Still a lot of divergence. So guys, not much has actually shifted here. There's not a lot that has actually shifted here. Jason, I do think we're going to have a very, very Good breakout to the upside there with Euro AUD, yeah? I mean, the Euro USD is still stuck at the same place. GBP USD is still stuck at the same place. AUD USD is still stuck at the same place. It's only the New Zealand dollar that's really strengthened today, and that's not because the dollar is weak or strong. It's just because the New Zealand economy is growing nicely. So gold, even although it's pushing up, there's still a lot of what? Divergence, guys. Please do not let this candle fool you. Don't let that candle fool you. Just because we're breaking does not mean that we're going to be pushing up. Like I said, we've got two scenarios. We've got the short scenario and we have the long scenario. Now, there's many guys that would want to get in here, but again, look at the divergence here. Here we see price going up, but it's actually a lot of strength that's still to the downside. So this divergence that you see here is just a recovery. It's just a recovery from that support. That's all it is. It's just a high and we need another low. So we want to trade the low. That's a very important point. If this extends to the upside or if we go up further, it simply means we're going to have to adjust our short. So our short may not come in this area, but if price keeps on pushing up till there, then it means we're going to be selling somewhere from up there down. So it may not come here. So it may extend. And when it gets there, we're still going to sell. Why? Because this hourly first needs to go above that area before we are out of the woods to go all the way up. So even if it extends, it doesn't matter. I mean, look at the oil price. The oil price here is coming down, which means gold then is going up because of that. All right, gold is then going up because of that. You guys tracking there? Still, look at all the divergence. Just look at all the divergence there. And it has gone up into these zones here. Look, we may just come up till there. And then we start coming down. So don't be surprised at 6 o'clock if you see gold has done this. All right, don't be surprised to see gold does that and then it starts coming down. All right, USD Swiss franc, I mean, look at this. Still think we're going to get a weaker dollar, but the dollar is just taking its time. The dollar is just taking its time. Right, so here's the US 30. All right, so let's do some fresh work here on the US 30. All right, especially because we got 10 minutes left. We got the 1 hour chart. It looks bullish. Let's see what's happening here. Hold on. Let it load. Yeah, you see, we're dealing with slower time frames here, man. Slower time frames here, peeps. Yeah, slower time frames here. All right, so here we go. Ooh. Let's go lower. Let's go lower. All right. So we're nicking the 50 there. Come on, man. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have to get above the 50. And we also need to get above 52. And then we have a pit stop over here. Right there. I'm not even referring, guys. That's the 100 right there. This is the 50. $100 right there. And Still in the 52s. All right, so if we're going to be pushing up on the US 30, so I'm not going to get in right now, guys. I need to get above 52,561. 561.36. See that? We have to get above there first before we do anything. So that's US 30. That's a 5-minute frame. Yep. All right, so there we go. That's US 30. Yeah, yes you can, Brett. Yes you can. Yes you can. Let's look at gold. See where it is? It's still messing around, guys. It's messing around. So US 30 52561 above there. It's great. And that's on the hour. Sorry, that's the that's all the minute frames. That's 5 minutes. That's a 5-minute frame, guys. All right, above 561. S&P 500, like I said to you guys, on this one, I'm still bearish, guys. I'm still bearish on this one. That's why I'm not getting into a long now with the US 30. I'm really not getting into a long here yet. The S&P 500, I mean, we've already dipped below. This is a possible correction. So if I can just see some movement down here, I still think we're coming down here, guys. GBP yen, many guys thought we're going up. Nope. Divergence. CHF JPY, like I said, I'm waiting for that one. Are we together? AUD CAD is still not tanked. And if the NAS comes down, US 30, S&P 500 also. Look at the USD JPY now. Do you see that? That's what I'm saying to you guys. Let's wait first. Let's first wait. JPN, there we go. Look at that. Up to the 68,000. There we go. There's that 68,000. So, you know, everything is working out. But can you guys see that it's not, Brett, can you guys see that it's not all at once? Every asset has its turn. Are we together, guys? Every asset has its turn. You can't, you know, just buy here, sell here, and then expect it to move because you bought and sold, right? Assets have their own time. They have their moments when they're moving. Money's moving around systematically. Are we together? That's why patience is needed in trading. It's for exactly what I'm mentioning here now. It moves around. Money moves around. So please, guys, remember that just because we sold, many guys trade shorter time frames because they don't want to wait, but they take a lot of risk. Is everybody clear there, guys? Can I make sure everybody's understanding that they do that, but they take a lot of risk. A lot of risk. Okay, so this one's going up. Let's loop around. I got 4 minutes left until the US Open. All right. Let's look at that gold there. US 30. See there? Look at that. 4 minutes left. Let's see. Silver has gone up. Don't tell me this is an oil where I need to accept here, man. Can't do this to me. The second one is doing this to me. 4 minutes left. So we got silver and we got gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. US 30, we're waiting. Silver has literally given us a bearish divergence here now. Look at this. It's given us divergence on the higher time frames. Yeah. Look at that. All right. All right. We here. We here. We here. We here. We here. I'm waiting. I'm going for 5 minutes in here, okay? Above that, I'm going 5 minutes. A strong candle. So let's loop back for all the guys that's joining us for the first time. We're busy with the dollar. We are busy with the dollar. We are specifically looking at gold and silver as well as US 30 and the NASDAQ. All the others are we're just waiting for them, okay? But we're waiting for gold. We already in on NZD USD. We're just leaving it to run. AUD USD, nothing. Euro USD, nothing. GBP USD, I've got nothing there. It's NZD USD. I'm waiting for gold now to show me something here. And then silver, there is some divergence here. I want to see what the US Open does. US 30, I'm waiting for 52,561. S&P 500, I'm still waiting for a drop. And then NAS, I'm waiting for a drop below 29,319. All right. Also, there's something on the USD CAD as well as the USD JPY. And I'm really looking to see if we're going to get drops on both here. If that happens, the gold price can go up. Okay, that's the USD CAD. So let's see, we got about a minute left and we're about to hit. You see that resistance that I spoke to you guys about? Look at that resistance. Look at that resistance there. I think we're going to hit that resistance now. All right, couple of seconds left. We've got 53 seconds left. Let's see what the US Open has in store for us here. Let's see. 43 seconds. Is everybody still here? Show me some love. Let's see. 29 seconds. Let's see. 22. Come on. Let's see what's happening here. We had to beg gold just now. If you guys remember, we had to beg gold just now. We begged it. 10 seconds. 9, 8, let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market open. Let's see. You sucker. Let's see. You sucker. Come on. Look at the naughty child here. Some of the guys will go in now. I'm saying, hey, be careful. If you sell now and this thing pushes up, you're in trouble. See the S&P here? Look at that. US 30. Silver. All right, we're watching the gold. We're watching the gold. Don't tell me that's it. 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 Are you telling me that that's it? All that movement, all that noise before. All that noise. Oh, love you too, guys. Hey, Shirley Shakes. Oh, yes. It's my brother's words there. Are you telling me that's it? All of that noise. You see the dramatization. Yeah, Shira, but we don't want to wait so long, Shira, just can you stop poking, please? We don't want to wait so long, please. And stop laughing where you at, please. Look at all this drama here, guys. Look at all this drama here. And for what? For this. In Afrikaans, those firecrackers that don't light. In Afrikaans, they call them churkies. When last I heard that one, guys. They call them churkies, This is a churki here, guys. It's when you light the firecracker and then it just goes. You guys have seen those ones before. Call them churkis. This is look at this. Small little guy here. Hey guys, Thandi saying you guys you have to like this, so go up there and like this video, guys. We're feeding the algorithm. Thandi spoken, like we're feeding the algorithm. Come on. If you've not liked it, you gotta like it. All right, so check that churki there, guys. Yesterday, look at this. Let's look at silver. It's churkis. Look at this. Where's Isabel? Look at this throwing something out of the cot and then deciding to go back in there. These guys. Look at CHF JPY. So that means USD JPY should be coming down. Churkis, man. All of them. Oh my word. All right, Shira, guys, we are gonna listen to Shira. He said give it a couple of minutes. All right, so everybody, can we just thank Shira there, please? Can we please just thank Shira? Shira said we should wait, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna see here, but these churkis, you know. we want some proper stuff here. Can we all just thank Shira, please, guys? Can we all just thank Shira, please? Thandi, can we just thank him there, please? Thandi, can we just thank him? Thank you, Shira. These churkis. Oh, there you go. Shira, you're getting all your thanks there. Oh man. All right, so guys, I mean, look, we're very, very happy. There we go. Thank you. There we go. Look at that. You know what? To be honest, Intel, churki. Guys, let's see who can spell there quickly. All right, let's who can spell churki there for the guys whilst we wait. All right, whilst we're getting the spelling right there, let's have a look at the charts here. So NZD USD, we're still leaving this guy. NZD is running on its own. I'm in profits on the NZD USD. I know Tabato's in there. Tabato's killing it. The gold price, we've not gone anywhere. A lot of dramatization. The silver price is looking different to the gold price. It looks like this is another oil trade here, Shira, for myself, and it looks like I'm gonna have to accept once again that I've missed the silver March. All right, I'm gonna have to wait for a much lower time frame to possibly correct, because if I get in now and this thing corrects, you know, I'm not looking to sit in unnecessary deficits here, all right? Especially with an asset like silver. So I'm going to wait for silver. Hopefully it's not an oil scenario, but I've got my eyes on the gold, all right? So the gold I'm not going to miss because I've got a new level there of 4164. So if gold advances above there, I know I'm going to soar like an eagle over there, all right? Silver, I might just have to accept. US 30, look at the drop, which means NAS is going to drop here. It's a bit, no, look, you see? The correlation is out. No. Guys, S&P, NAS, this has to do with AI. It has to do with AI. Let me just see here. Let me see what's cracking here. Because the US 30 and look at the US 30, S&P is different. Let's see here. Chip producers clashed against uncertain macroeconomic outlook. Yeah, S&P inched higher, Nasdaq gained over. Yeah, the Dow margin extended. Yes, yeah, you see, guys, memory chip producers were sharply high as markets reconsidered the speculative outlook. Yeah, it is AI. It's AI. It's AI, guys. All right, it's AI. So let's see. All right, so gold, nothing here. Silver's marching up. AI, silver, technology, it's there. So silver's marching up with S&P, but NAS, it's exactly what we spoke about. Look at this. So we're going to wait on that one, guys. GBP, CHF, JPY, we're waiting. Euro, USD, nothing there yet. GBP, USD, nothing yet. USD, Swiss franc, nothing there yet. USD, JPY, nothing there yet. USD, CAD, nothing. So the only ones that's really moving now because of AI investment, we're having silver. I'm just going to accept it. Share, I'm accepting it. Yes, man, I should have gotten in early on. Do you see? This is where the FOMO hits. You guys are seeing it in real time. Do you see that? Guys, can you see that? FOMO's kicking in hard right now. But what is Ash trying to do right here in real time? I'm not going to give in to the temptation. Are we together? Are we together? I'm not getting in. The temptation is there, guys. But I'm not going to give in to the temptation. What would you have done? Be honest. Put it in there. All right. We got Tabatso with we got Brett with Turkey. Almost sold NAS. If you sold NAS, Shira, if you sold NAS, I would have personally gotten through this lens. If you sold NAS because of FOMO, I would have gotten through this lens, my friend. My goodness. Oh, yeah. I'm seeing a lot of churkis there. Okay. All right, so guys, let's loop back. Let's get our center here, right? All right, so gold, we could still be getting some action here, maybe at 6 o'clock, okay? Silver's marching up with the chips. AI investment there, guys. It's pushing up with NAS and with S&P 500. And please make a note of that, guys. Silver and NAS, there is some form of good movement there together. So please make a note of the correlation that I'm actually mentioning to you guys here, all right? So get a column down somewhere if you're using Excel or your phone or whatever. Just write their correlation and then put their silver NAS 100, because this is going to help you, really get to develop your strategy. All right. You can see silver and NAS is moving nicely now. S&P 500 is still staying stuck. Look at that. It's still there. That's why I'm saying wait with the S&P. USDT, the move is obviously exhausting now. You can see the candles are getting a little bit smaller. It must break below this area over here before we can consider anything. But again, the gold, Isabel, we might just get something here. All right. AUD, USD, nothing. So there's not, it's only out of the blocks that dash that happened because of the clash with the AI and those chip makers there, guys. They're reassessing all this investment here. Everybody clear there, guys. I think we are very, 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 very specific here. Guru, guys, let's give Guru a round of applause here and a warm welcome to the most trusted broker. Let's give some love and like the video, because Guru just came on and he's going to put some more likes and feeding the algorithm. A like is a nugget, yeah? Feeds the algorithm. All right, so look at gold now. Sneaky little guy. Look at this. Sneaky. All right, NAS. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave NAS alone now. All right, I'm just gonna leave NAS. I'm focusing on gold now. I'm gonna be focusing on USD JPY And we're going to see USD CAD is a bit tricky, but let's do USD JPY. USD JPY and gold. All right, we're waiting. I'm waiting for this area here to be broken. All right, there's a lot of divergence here. There's a lot of divergence. This is a very good trade, by the way. This, guys, the setup is great. This is a really, really great setup. We've not touched the 50 yet. All right, after price had really pushed to the high. That new high has not touched the 50. Okay, so once we get to the 50 and we break beneath, okay, I want to run it down. Yeah, it's about 49 pips down to that area over there. A lot of divergence here. Very good trade. Let me go and switch this one and put it close to the gold so we can watch them together. All right, 1543. All right. So we got USD JPY, NZD, USD, and the gold trade. Remember, is essentially, you guys know already that on the gold side, if the hour breaks above 4164, Ash is going for longs there. Okay, so silver I missed out. Look at that, and there's quite a bit of money there. So that's the FOMO. That's the FOMO. That's the FOMO right there. But we got to do it real time and demonstrate discipline. I really wanted to get in there. I was ready for silver, but I just could not crack it right there. And you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're here every day, Monday to Friday, 4 trading rooms. We're journeying together. We're giving you a lot of insight. We're letting you see that, guys, this is what me and T go through every day. We're just very quiet when we're doing it. So I won't be speaking. So we now respect. Now we're just streaming it. But if you weren't streaming it, I'd be so quiet and I'll be looking at the same thing. I just get to share it with all of you great people, and so does T. So, by the way, Shira, it's been 15 minutes now, bud. It's been 15 minutes, Shira. All right. I think we're going to touch that high there. We're going to touch the high. And then we're going to see what happens after the high. If it continues to go up, we're just following the higher time frames. That's all. So remember, guys, I'm going to say that again. Right now, we're following lower time frames on this chart. On this chart, we're following higher. So that's lower, that's higher. We're either going to make money on the lower chart or we're going to make money on the higher chart. It really doesn't matter to me. Are we together, guys? It really doesn't matter to T whether we're doing the lower charts, whether we're doing the higher charts. It really doesn't matter to us. All right? We're looking for where the opportunity is. And right now, we're basically stuck in the mud. You know, we're stuck in the mud here. I can even open up a third chart and we can look at just that impulse itself. I mean, that was a 300 pip run. And I'm seeing that on a 5 minutes. I'm going to have to use a 1 minute chart here. Okay, well, you know, for the sake of our community. For the sake of our community. I'm sure there's some guys on here that like to see perhaps a 1 minute kind of move happening here. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Yeah, there we go. All right, so 1 minute move. This will be at your own, because this is really, this is the third chart now. It's a 1 minute frame, guys. It's a 1 minute frame. There's the 50. Hold on. All right, so down to the 50. That's what it's going to look like. Down to the 50, guys. Whew. down to the 50, below 411. This is the third chart now, guys. Guys, it doesn't matter what chart we choose. It doesn't matter what chart we trade. Any chart doesn't matter. Any chart. All right, any chart. It doesn't matter. Let's go. Any chart. All right, so let's wait and see. We got a couple of minutes left here. 15:47. Let's see if we get any close beneath here. Stop loss, you can place it right above there. Remember, you are going against the hourly frame here. I'll say it again. You have a lightweight fighting a middleweight. There's no heavyweight in this one here yet. We've got 3 charts here. All right, we got the 5-minute frame. We got the 1-minute frame here. All right, and then we got the hourly frame. So we're not trading the hourly. Looks like it. We're waiting. So I think we're more on the 1 minute. So let's wait. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe we have something here. Maybe we don't. Here's a guiding light. 4102. 4102.96. Let's see. So 5 minute. So let me just show you here, guys. Look at this. Let me just show you where we could end up. 4102.96. This, just to give you context, 4102.96. This is where we would get out. That's what I'm saying. We're trading the chart as it's moving. That is where we would get out, which is different to this. See? This is a move before. That's a move before. It's a very important point that I'm making there. All right, so let's see. You guys ready? Might just get a very big candle to the downside there. Hopefully it doesn't take the entire, chart full from there to there. Very, very risky, this one, guys. Oof. Trading a 1-minute frame is very risky. Trading a 1-minute frame is very, very risky. But it is doable. All right, here we go. Let's get our candle timer here. 15:50 at the moment. 47 seconds. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Guys, if you've not liked, like it. But I know many of the guys have. Subscribe to us. Yeah, Jules, it ain't going nowhere, my friend. And Shira's just laughing here. Shira. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. We're waiting, guys. It's a waiting game. US 30. Look at that. Yeah. Exhaustion. It snuck in. Nas, we're chilling. Yeah, I know we're waiting, guys. This is just a waiting game. Look at that. You see that? You see that? You see that? I imagine you went in, you put your stop loss here. It's going to wipe you out. We got to wait for it. It's consolidating. It needs to break somewhere. I think we're going to inch up a little bit higher. Everybody still okay? We got a couple of minutes left before we cut this one. There's the 1 hour frame on the gold chart. And I don't even want to look at the silver, because every time I look at the silver, tears come to my ear, to my tear ducts. There's tears that come to my tear ducts, but I'm holding it back. Look at this, man. Tragic. FOMO on display with discipline. FOMO on display with discipline. It's possible, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, gold. Come on. 411 9.02. 411 9.02. Come on. Come on. At least give us an entry before we leave here. Come on. Hilarious. Oh. Come on. Oh. AUD USD, nothing. Euro US. I'm just checking them, guys, because we're waiting for a minute frame to move on gold. Can you believe it? We're waiting for a minute frame to move on gold, guys. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Couple of minutes left. Then we're gonna call it, guys. Couple of minutes left. Then we're gonna call this one. Put move here from there to. Yeah, no, this is enough. Even till here, it's fine. 85 points. No, that's enough. From there to there. Very nice. We don't even have to go to 4102. This is enough. 84. Enough. Come on. Come on. Come on. Need a proper candle beneath. Proper candle. A proper candle. Like this. This is what we're looking for. This. That's the type of candles you're looking for. Look, most of it is on top. Look at, see, that's not good enough. That's not good enough. See that? Now, guys would have taken that buy, that sell. Are you with me here, guys? There's guys that would have taken that sell right there. You see that, guys? Look at that. See? This here is if you sold now and this goes up and you put a stop loss here, you're in trouble. So let's wait and see what happens here. Price might just go up one more time and then, but it would be a fantastic trade. This very nice. It's that Nas, get Nasdaq. All right, guys. I mean, look, 4119. I'm waiting for a proper candle to close beneath. A decent candle. Then I want to go in for a sell. Hopefully this one does. This is a minute frame, guys. Yeah, it's not. All right. Hopefully this is a nice. You can even go to a 2 minute. And now let's see. If this one is nice and long here, we can use it too. Come on. Do you see how I just switched up time frames? Did you see how I just switched up time frame still to get the candle that I'm looking for? Did you guys see that? I hope you did. Look, you see? Mm-mm. Look at that. It's not ready. It's still cooking here. Yeah, so there's nothing we can do. Like, guys, you have to wait. That's the thing with it. That's why it's nice to be in like examples. I keep going back to silver so I can remind you guys how easily it is to be ill-disciplined. I keep going back here because I want to show you in real time how the human mind works. I keep going back to it because we naturally wired to, if we miss out, we want to get in, we want to get. So I'm showing you the weakness in a mind, but I'm also showing you the strength in the mind at the same time. That's why I keep going back to it. Are we together? Are we together, guys? I'm showing both sides so you can see this thing is real. It can really get you. It can really mess with your mind. But how will you know if it's not on display? So it must be shown. It should be shown. So we still don't have a decent candle yet. We still don't have a decent candle. I do see downside, obviously, but I mean, we don't have a decent candle yet. It's still rejecting at the level. Look at that. You see? It's just not strong enough. It's just not strong enough yet. I mean, the 2 minute rejected there. So, all right. So, guys, this minute frame here, it's not giving us what we would like. So, let me just finish off this session by mentioning the following. The ultimate move here for us is on an hour frame, 4164 up. That would be phenomenal. That is the move that I'm actually looking for. Waiting for this move, there could be some sells, all right? And that's what I'm attempting to do here. That's why I'm trying to show you both sides. I'm trying to show you what we would like, what I would really like to be part of, but I'm showing you that whilst that's playing out, why not just jump in here? Do you see that? Look at that now. I imagine you went in for the sell. Imagine you went in for the sell here. You're in trouble. Imagine you went in for the sell. You're in trouble. Look at this. Oh, that's you're in trouble. Look at that. It's taking out all these sellers here. All of them. Do you know how many buyers are putting their stop losses here now? How many buyers are putting their stop losses? This candle alone. You know how many buyers are putting their stop losses here? So all they have to do now, they're getting the buyers, they put their stop losses, and then boom. Look. You know how this is getting the guys in here? Ooh. Look at this. You know how many buyers right now? And stop losses are being set here. Boom. Stop losses are here. Boom. Stop losses. Look at that. And see the rejection there? See the rejection? Let's see quickly. Look at the rejection. So this got a lot of guys in here. Whew, telling you here. Got many guys in there. And then check there. If this thing comes down, you know we're going to take out many guys. A lot of them. Even here, there's a lot of stop losses here. Stop losses here. Stop losses here. So let's see how it goes, guys. 4119, nothing special. We saw a bit of a sprint there in the NAS. We saw a bit of a tug and war with the S&P, the US 30, a bit of a tug. Silver, phenomenal, looking beautiful. NZD USD, you know, obviously happy about this one, so I'm leaving that. That's my silver lining. USD JPY, it is moving down. I did get out, but it's moving in my direction. But I'm going to be waiting for the gold now, and then obviously we'll see at 6 o'clock how this plays out. All right. I'll see you guys back here at 6. And we'll be checking to see what happens with the markets then, yeah? So 41196. That's where I would get in for my 1 minute frame. But ultimately, I'm waiting for the hour to play out. All right. I'll see you guys at 6 o'clock, man. Don't be late. 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 All right. Ciao, ciao, guys.